Microsoft fixes Windows 11 AMD CPU performance issues. 2 fixes to make the Ryzen CPU behave higher. After a little bit of a tough begin, because of efficiency points, home Windows 11 and AMD processors ought to begin behaving round one another now. AMD and Microsoft introduced plans to repair the slowdown cropping up between some AMD processors and home Windows 11. Now, as promised, we've got a few new patches that ought to maintain the issue. A recent update on AMD's preliminary report of the issue now exhibits resolutions for each major causes of those efficiency drops. The L3 cache latency subject, which might trigger the cache to take as much as 3 times longer to entry, is being addressed by a brand new home Windows 11 construct. And the most popular core downside, which mistakenly would hand some duties off to a slower processor core, is being dealt with by AMD's driver bundle. Discount and processor velocity appears to primarily have an effect on sure purposes and a few video games. AMD hasn't talked about any of them by identify, nevertheless. So even with the fitting, mistaken? A range, it is attainable. You could by no means have skilled any of those points. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.